If you own a Toyota hybrid vehicle or you're thinking about owning a Toyota hybrid vehicle, you may be asking yourself a few questions. You may be asking yourself questions around the topic, for example, of the Toyota hybrid maintenance, how much it costs, what it's going to look like, what you might have to expect, or in general, you might be asking yourself questions about how do you properly maintain and ensure the proper functionality and longevity and care for a Toyota hybrid vehicle. What can you do to optimize your efficiency on your Toyota hybrid vehicle? Well, this video is going to answer all of those points because I've got 5 tips that I can share with you, plus a bonus tip that I'm gonna mention later on in the video, so make sure you stick around. And these tips are basically gathered from years and years of experience of driving a Toyota hybrid vehicle. And for the most part, you wouldn't really know of these tips if you don't already drive or have driven or owned a Toyota hybrid vehicle. So let's get right into them. All right, first things first, let's get the elephant out of the room. And I'm talking about that hybrid high voltage battery and the need to ever replace it. So a lot of customers and viewers think that replacing the hybrid high voltage battery is very intensive and costly. And to that fact, you are basically right. It is something that you don't want to incur down the road. It can be thousands of dollars. But here's what's not true and accurate is that at a specific point, time, age, kilometers of your Toyota hybrid vehicle that you will have to replace that hybrid high voltage battery. It's not the case. It's different on every scenario or in every situation. For example, we've got many vehicles that have crossed our service department, hybrid Toyotas, of course, that have hundreds and hundreds of thousands of kilometers on them with the original battery still in place and intact from Toyota. So what does this all mean for you as a Toyota hybrid vehicle owner or potential Toyota hybrid vehicle owner? Well, did you know that the factory Toyota hybrid specific warranty covers you for up to 10 years or 240,000 kilometers, whichever comes first? That is a long time for a manufacturer to cover any issues or defects that arise in your hybrid related components. So the chances of having to replace that hybrid high voltage battery and incurring an additional cost, at least in the short term or first couple of years of ownership, is extremely, extremely low. So the good news here is that you don't really have to worry about touching or doing anything to your high voltage hybrid battery unless something goes wrong or it's showing signs of any issues. For the most part, there's nothing really to do to your hybrid high voltage battery in terms of maintenance, except for this one thing that I'm going to mention later on in this video. So make sure you stick around. And if you follow these tips that I'm going to give you, it will help to ensure the longevity and peak performance of your hybrid powertrain system. All right, when we're talking about oil changes, because your hybrid powertrain system isn't always using the combustion engine and is usually sometimes yielding to the electric motor and hybrid powertrain system, the combustion engine isn't being used all the time. So one would think, and a lot of viewers and customers think, that your oil change interval can be stretched out or is stretched out, or you don't need oil changes as often. But guys, this isn't the case. It's not the fact. You still need an oil change on your combustion engine of your Toyota hybrid vehicle every 16,000 kilometers as recommended by Toyota. Now, this is the case whether you're driving a non-hybrid Toyota, for example, RAV4, a hybrid Toyota RAV4, or even a plug-in hybrid Toyota RAV4. The oil change intervals are always going to be every 16,000 kilometers. Now, in this video, I'm only talking about 4 or 5 key points on how to properly care and maximize the best out of your hybrid powertrain system, plus one extra tip later on. But if you want a further, more detailed breakdown of what to expect for maintenance, how to properly care for your Toyota hybrid system, increased longevity and efficiency, and also how the hybrid powertrain system works, then I'm going to leave a link in the description below. You can check out and get yourself a copy of an ebook, but more on to these top performance tips of your Toyota hybrid powertrain system. When it comes to overall brake maintenance in terms of brake fluid replacements or servicing of your brakes, don't take this lightly. Make sure you stay on top of it and you do what's recommended by Toyota from the scheduled maintenance guide. By the way, guys, I'll leave a link in the description below. You guys can actually key in what type of Toyota hybrid vehicle you have, plug in the year, the mileage, or the type of driving you do, and it will spit out what's recommended from Toyota to do in terms of service work or maintenance work on your Toyota hybrid vehicle. But don't take the servicing of the brakes or the brakes in general lightly. Here's why. So in general, servicing your brakes is important really for two reasons on a Toyota hybrid vehicle. One is for your safety, to make sure you'll actually stop when you want to stop your vehicle. And two is to ensure the efficiency of your regenerative braking system. Unlike traditional combustion engine vehicles, Toyota hybrid vehicles use regenerative braking to store and transfer energy back into the hybrid high voltage battery system. Regenerative braking stores and captures energy, which is then transferred back to your hybrid high voltage battery system. This generally takes place while your vehicle is coasting or you're not accelerating, and of course, while you're pressing the brakes. If part of your brake components have any issues or need servicing, for example, your brake pads, your calipers, your rotors, and if it's neglected, it could interfere with the smooth transition that's supposed to take place between regenerative braking and actual mechanical braking of your Toyota hybrid vehicle. So to ensure longevity, top performance, and efficiency of your Toyota hybrid vehicle and prevent any wear and tear, make sure you pay close attention and don't skip any recommended brake work on your Toyota hybrid vehicle. Replacing the brake fluid and brake service is a small maintenance that down the road could save you money, and if not taken care of, could cost you more down the road, especially when you're talking about fuel efficiency. Now, if you are watching this video and you do not own or drive a Toyota hybrid vehicle, that probably means that you're driving a non-hybrid Toyota RAV4, Toyota Camry, or Toyota Highlander. Well, I still have some good news for you. That means that you are going to be able to pick yourself up a set of all-weather custom fitting floor mats from LastFit, who is the sponsor of this video. Guys, so far LastFit has sent me all-weather custom fitting floor mats for multiple trims and models of Toyota vehicles like the Toyota 4Runner, the Toyota Camry, and the Toyota RAV4. And I gotta tell you, the fit and finish and quality of these mats is unmatched. They are made from a premium TPE material, which, by the way, if you don't know already, TPE is an actual thermal plastic which combines the best of both worlds from the properties of plastic and the properties of rubber, which is why these mats are not stiff, hard, or don't give off any offensive odors. They're actually quite flexible, pliable, easy to install and easy to uninstall, and very easy to clean. They are also precision laser cut, giving you a perfect fit throughout your entire interior floor, covering higher edges and corners, especially the hump if you have one in your backseat row. And some even better news is that on Monday, July 14th, I will be dropping a video which will feature a giveaway for a set of all-weather custom fitting floor mats for a Toyota RAV4. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you hit the notification bell, and don't miss that video. Again, if you want better protection from your OEM mats and you want to cover higher edges and better cornering around your interior for further protection, make sure you check out LastFit, which I'll put a link in the description below for your set of custom fitting all-weather floor mats. Now, let's get back to the hybrid conversation. Proper care of your tires is also critical and crucial to peak performance of your Toyota hybrid vehicle? Let me explain. You see, it's important at the recommended interval to rotate or change your tires if they're worn out. And here's why. Did you know that a Toyota hybrid vehicle is heavier than a Toyota non-hybrid vehicle? For example, a Toyota RAV4 hybrid weighs in at 3,775 pounds, whereas the exact same Toyota, just in a non-hybrid version, weighs in at 3,362 pounds. That's a difference of 413 pounds due to the extra weight of the hybrid related components on your, for example, Toyota RAV4 hybrid. So it's important to ensure even wear on your Toyota hybrid vehicle tires and to replace them when needed to ensure the peak performance of your vehicle. By properly maintaining your tires, you're not only saving money by extending their lifespan, but you're also improving fuel efficiency as well-maintained tires roll smoother and use less energy. There's two filters that you cannot skip to replace, service, or check during the ownership of your Toyota hybrid vehicle. One of them, of course, is your cabin air filter. The other is your hybrid battery air filter. Let me explain. You see, regularly checking and replacing both the cabin air filter and the hybrid battery air filter in your Toyota hybrid is vital for both comfort and performance. The cabin air filter keeps the air inside your vehicle clean by trapping dust, pollen, and other pollutants, crucial for your health and HVAC efficiency. Meanwhile, the hybrid battery air filter plays a crucial role in cooling the battery system and that high voltage battery. A clogged battery air filter can lead to overheating, which will reduce the battery efficiency, lifespan, and could potentially create some long-term damage down the road. If you want overall reliability and longevity and comfort while you're owning and driving your Toyota hybrid vehicle, don't skip your cabin air filter and don't ignore your hybrid battery air filter either. All right, here's my tip that I wanted to give you guys that you may not know about. If you have a late model Toyota vehicle that has the remote connect, service connect, this applies if it's a hybrid or non-hybrid, but let's keep on the hybrid topic. You can actually do a remote diagnostic or do a health check on your Toyota hybrid RAV4, Camry, whatever model it is, just from your phone, mobile device, and app. That's right from the palm of your hand, you can check certain functionalities or potential issues on your Toyota hybrid vehicle. For example, any outstanding safety recalls, service campaigns, you can check vehicle alerts, and just overall vehicle health report. Using and checking this part of your Toyota hybrid vehicle through the app right out of your smartphone can help to avoid any potential surprises down the road and will help you stay on top of the overall health of your Toyota hybrid vehicle. All right, everyone, that's a wrap. Let me know what you think about the tips I've given you to help you get the most and best out of your Toyota hybrid vehicle. Maybe you're doing some of this already. Maybe you agree with me. Maybe you don't. Let me know in the comments below. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Take care.